Hello, folks, and today I'll be giving my 2 cents on what I think of 2IIM. So, firstly, I would like to start with VARC. I think VARC, we also have a lot of free resources that have been immensely helpful for me in terms of preparing for CAT. Bharath's reading list and the GK that they give weekly, all of them have been very useful. And apart from that, the courses that they offer, the reading comprehension especially, has a lot of variety and it covers a lot of broad range of subjects. So I think it is very useful in terms of CAT and in terms of the VARC that come in CAT because they cover a lot of variety of subjects. So I think it really helps. In terms of DILR, again, they have a lot of intuitive puzzles, fantastic puzzles that will blow your mind off and you may be scratching your head around for a long time. And the good thing about that is that they eventually start from the basics and then they will move up eventually to the CAT level questions. I think that approach is very good for the ILR. In terms of quant, I think Rajesh sir conducts the best quant classes because it's always like you're sitting, you solve a quant question, and then Rajesh sir comes over with something very new and intuitive. He not only explains how this works, he also tells you where this works, and I think that is very helpful. And one thing that I personally like about 2IIM is the flexibility that they offer. So if you are a live student, you can always follow the live sessions, or if you are a busy person or you do not find the time to go along with the live classes, you can always watch the recordings, or you can always go at your own pace as there are already recorded classes available. You can always view them as many times as you want, which is something not all coaching institutes offer. They usually put down a limit of 2 or 3 views per video limit. So that is something that might bum you out. But in terms of this feature being offered by 2IIM, it is very fantastic compared to other competitors. So I think if you are ready to give your 100% for CAT this year, without a doubt, you can join 2IIM. So that's what I think of 2IIM. Thank you.